Saral, I'm waiting outside.
Just take this bottle from me.
ये गंगा जल है? गंगा जल ले लो पहले, स्पेशली गंगा से आपके लिए।
राइट, गंगा जल प्रैंक नहीं कर रहा है।
प्रैंक नहीं करे।
हाँ
गंगा जल ही दियो ना क्योंकि
अरे सरल को जाना है ना 2 बजे।
Roja, it's 1:30. We have to start the couple shoot.
I just feel that everything for us has been Rucha. The minute she was born and how she looked, and it's all there. The first 7 days, it was just amazing. It's just coming back again. She's brought so much of joy to us.
He's my Google. He's my GK. He's my each question का answer. That is what Saral is to me.
with Rucha, I think there's been that balance in my life. I'm more stress-free, I'm more confident, and she makes me a better version of me.
And if I need anything in the world, I know he's my beck and call for everything. So I think that signifies that he is my world. I know that how much ever I ask him, oh, how do I look? He will always have the same answer. Fabulous.
So pretty.
I think when I define love, it is when Saral surprises me in tiniest of moments, or when he caters to all my stupid needs. This wedding is a huge thing for my parents. My mom has envisioned me as a bride too much, and I know she is constant emotional even when I am thinking about marriage or when she's talking about marriage or anything.
And finally, तो दिवस आलाय तर I'm not able to really figure out कि मला कसं वाटतंय. I'm too emotional today.
And daddy, I know you don't get that easily emotional, but I know inside you are, and I love you for that, and I will always be your princess.
I am really happy that they found each other, and I just hope that this happiness continues forever and ever and ever.
So the best person in my life is getting married. So I am the most happiest person right now, because now I get to have 2 favorite people. That is Saral and Rucha. And of course, I like Rucha more. Sorry, Saral.
Life is like very easy with Saral, just like his name. He's as Saral as his name.
To see her as a bride walk down the aisle, and me and Abhi taking her and just walking down the aisle.
I feel unreal. Rucha had this bet. She was like, maybe during the wedding you will cry. We've been planning this day since the last 2 months. I have been planning this day since the last 6 years.
Us walking hand in hand freely in front of so many people, this feels like a official stamp paper thing that, oh, he's my husband now. I can hold his hand wherever, whenever I want.
Saral, when it comes to marriage, the only thing which matters is the understanding between the two of you.
Love you the most.
I love you too.
More than you do.
I love you.
Love you more than that also.
Love you, Saral.
I lawfully announce Saral and Rucha as husband and wife.
जन्नत तुम हो जहां